Did you know that YouTube doesn't rank videos by views? It ranks them by watch time. You might have heard of watch time, but how does that affect your business? Well, today I'm going to tell you. Hey, welcome to Hey.com. My name is Dane Golden, and I'm here because I love helping brands and marketers and businesses like you grow your customer community through helpful how-to videos. So what the heck is this watch time concept? Well, it's complicated. Watch time is not one thing for YouTube. It's a umbrella term that they use to discuss a few things. But there are some basic things we do know about it, and that is it's how long somebody watches a video, how long somebody watches the video over a course of time, meaning how many minutes total people watch it, how long people watch your channel, how long people watch a video essentially after they've watched your video. YouTube, like any platform, wants people to stay on that platform as long as possible. Instagram doesn't permit any links to go off the channel unless you're paying, right? Except for that one description link, that profile link. And the reason is they want you to stay on as long as possible. YouTube lets you have links, but they actually don't want you to click on them most of the time. They want you to keep watching videos. And as a business, that is a bit of a problem because you're not going to make anything unless eventually someone leaves YouTube. The same way you're not going to make any money unless someday they leave Instagram. So how do you deal with that? And what are the more important factors? Well, let's talk about just the video unit, right? So the video unit, a single video, you want to get somebody to watch it as long as possible, essentially by giving them what you promised in this video topic, title, thumbnail combination, right? And I'm going to link to a playlist where I explain how to do thumbnails and titles and topics. So you're making a promise when somebody clicks on a video, and that's where watch time really starts. It starts by someone clicking. And then how fast do you deliver what you promised them? If you promise them you're going to show them a can of Coca-Cola in the beginning and you don't show it until 1 minute in, a lot of people are going to leave that video. So you need to at least tease it in the very first few seconds of that video because you're making a promise as to what that video will be about. Then you have to use a lot of engagement tactics to make it interesting to them. Give them what they want. Don't waste their time. Give them the type of information that you promised them, that they came for, and they will watch. It's pretty simple. Your goal should be that by the end of the YouTube video, most of the people are still watching that video, and that's very hard to do. You have to take out all the gaps. You may see in this video we're using jump cuts. It means I put one video clip together with another video clip. Why do I do that? Because I do not want you clicking off. I want you to keep on watching. Now I even said the word click off, and some of you are thinking of clicking off. Don't go, don't go. There's more to see here. So if they've stayed till the end of your video, you have an opportunity, don't you? You can use the end screen to get them to click on another video. And you can also, within the video, use features like info cards, like this one right here, to get people to keep clicking. Now, they'll leave this video, but they will keep watching more videos if they click on that info card, right? So you want them to do that. You want them to keep finding other videos to click on. YouTube really doesn't care if they watch your video next or someone else's video. They just care that people keep watching YouTube. And that makes sense, doesn't it? If you had a platform like YouTube, you wouldn't want people to keep on watching, building the habits of watching longer, because in the end, you will sell more ads. Even if your business video doesn't have an ad in front of it, they treat those videos just the same. They don't care if there's an ad on a video or not. The YouTube algorithm says that this video is the one that's suited best for you to watch next on my channel. Let's find out if that's true.